So, ladies and gentlemen, I actually passed through three hotels in a particular street, and while everyone was seeing buildings, me I saw Caesar Cipher. Like that's actually day eight. That's the project beyond Caesar Cipher of cash flow. So to them building like a yield scanner, a street level. Day eight is a commercial real estate street level yield scanner. And let's go. Let's go into it. We don't waste any time. We just go into it. Day eight. CRE. My laptop is hanging. Good. Street level yield scanner. Concept is basically functions with inputs and positional versus keyword argument. You know what I'm saying? So let's start this shit, nigga. Yep. Nigga, I'm a black man, so don't ask me why I talk. I said nigga. Analyze. We're creating a function. We're defining a function called analyze street node. Yep. And we're going to be doing this. We're going to add the inputs name, anchor type. You know what I'm saying? What's the main anchor type? The average rent. Average rent. That's like I think it's hotels. The occupancy rate. You know what I'm saying? Occupancy rate. Yep. And we do this. So, let's go. Let's do this again. What we're doing is like this basically decodes the economic, because I made a video about market, understanding like market demand, reverse engineering market demand to understand like particular streets, why a street is blooming. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to still make many videos on all these things but that was the first video. Just make sure I don't forget that, hey man, I'm planning on really learning and staying more updated about stuff like this of a specific street cluster. You know what I'm saying? So number one, not like number one, but like basically the first thing we are doing is we are doing a basic revenue calculation. And you guys should also follow up my journey on how to we're scaling from $30 to $3,000 this month. $30 to $3,000. It's like right now I'm making only $30. Don't tell anyone. It's crazy. So basically, we assume standard. I don't have enough money to pay for. I have enough money to pay for anything in my life. Yeah, we are always in the future. You know what I'm saying? The shops. Standard node has 10 units, shops or rooms. Yep. And I'm taking this from notes. So basically estimated, we create another estimated, this like estimated monthly revenue as in equals to, the formula is 10, which like the standard node 10 times the average rent. Remember, the average rent is one of the inputs in this, times times occupancy divided by 100. I'm supposed to be spacing this shit like this. Okay, so we created a formula for the estimated monthly revenue. That's like the number of rooms, the number of units times the average rent, like $5,000, Jesus, times the occupancy divided by 100. Occupancy is like the occupancy rate 50. Is it 50% occupied? That's 50%. Is it like 50 rooms occupancy rate? But let's continue. Let's continue. So anyway, we end the brings the F string, the forward and analysis for name the upper.
I see they go backward in life.
Was driven wherever we are staying, nigga. We are just going to grind, build our channel, close deals, you know what I'm saying? Get better in building tools with Python, powerful tools, layer in another 100 days of agentic engineering. It's going to be like, it's going to be amazing, brother. You know what I'm saying? Show my journey of like an AI engineer journey of we alchemize AI to turn and create profits. Yeah, we create profits. Because that's real power, brother. That's the real power, according to Professor Jiang. So, print primary uncle, blah, 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 and print estimated monthly node revenue. With dollars, put some dollars. Like I ain't doing no naira nonsense, but I genuinely don't like my currency. Estimated monthly revenue. You know what I'm saying? And we put like extra, you know what I'm saying? That's extra 2 decimal digits and then the commas and yep. So no, don't put that forward slash again. So number one was what? We basic revenue calculation. These are that's for me. Let's do this first. Let me test the code whether there's any bugs in the code. Okay, no bugs, lucky pause. Number 2, we are calculating the logic. That is the investor lens. Basically like what's happening here?
For this ending was just
The
manage, that kind of thing. No, she was not mind. But the point, she just had to go for her Spain. Her guy is in Bayelsa, so she wanted to be closer to me. So that's why she was like, let's just do one. She said she prefers, thinking.
Okay.
So she prefers this thing. That's what I'm saying. It would have been better. For go now, you never explore the city. 2 times you go.
But when you go send
No, you know, send your account to my WhatsApp.
Okay.
I just copy and paste. I don't understand.
Okay, 90 and average rent. See, nigga, I'm actually trying to. I'm keeping my. I'm actually afloat right now. My whole shit is afloat. I don't even understand why I'm not working harder. 50,000. You know what I'm saying? We're going to work harder, bro. We're going to work hard. We're going to keep getting better. Just like my cash right now. I don't have savings again. So But you know, we can't stop this. We can't stop this. We have to just keep going. We started it, so at least for once, finish something in your life. You start. You know what I'm saying? Look for infill development. Let's get like places that in their growth phase. So, okay. LF occupancy rate. Investigate high vacancy. You know what I'm saying? Is it management or market? Else. Standard. Man, nigga, please like 10:51. You see, and I'm not having anything to eat, and I'm just glad I'm actually doing this, like, because this is something I have to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, is this? Am I supposed to do like? Is this still part of the function? Like, I feel like we've actually done everything for the function, but like, do we have to create another? Well, let's check my resource. I got this thing from Gemini. Oh my, shit is hanging. See my hook. Bro. I'm not just. Okay. As I said, we check. Okay. Three hotels. Is in. Wait. I didn't even show. I don't think I. Okay, yeah. This is something to show with keyword arguments. You know what I'm saying? I hope you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Basically, create another analyze street node. I think we're trying to call the function now. and the name goes hotel row, billionaire's row, or call it, should I call it billionaire's row, bro? I have no time to go and start. Save a life. That's the main anchor in that place. Save a life. Save a life hospital. That's the main anchor in that street. The anchor type. Yeah, the medical building. Today is not for sale, but don't worry. Who knows tomorrow? Oh my, nobody knows tomorrow. So let's go. Anchor type is equals to medical slash office. Okay, medical hospital. You know what I'm saying? That's the main anchor type. And the average rent is 150,000. We'll handle that one later. All those balls. Occupancy rate goes to 85. Okay, so let's put some commas here. Let's put this in back. Okay, everything's out. So yeah, that's like the keyword arguments. Then let's example 2. New retail plaza using positional argue. Analyze streets node. Urubu. It just fills it by itself. So, yep, and the code is looking clean. So, this is a field scanner. Estimated node monthly revenue 425,700. Then the signal is stable cash flow zone, standard tier 2 or 3 assets. So, how do we get that? How do we come to that? First of all, we actually define the function. And live street node will include the inputs name, anchor type, average rent, occupancy. And you also actually decode the economic signal of a specific street cluster. Basic revenue calculation, we assume a standard node has 10 units. So this is the formula to calculate estimate the monthly revenue, and we printed the analysis for Okay, Orogun. This is the name of the the street, or the online street mode, and the name of the this is the name of the mall. Yeah, the name of the plaza. Is that right? Yep. So this other pathway is like the name Save Alive and Uncle Time medical office. What happens then? This is what keyword arguments. You layer everything out. You put the name, keyword, and the positional arguments. But first of all, you have to actually um have this here. But this also looks like there's something like global and local stuff like like you know what I'm saying. But it shows everything. Stable cash flow basically calculated the estimated monthly revenue 1.62.1,200,000. Oh my god, I need to enter the business. It's good. So that's how we calculated the yield, the street level. This is how we calculated like the yield of street level yield scanner. It's good. Okay, that was good. That was day 8, brother. Day 8, simple, and you can know how much these guys are making. Let's go. Watch out for day 9. Yeah.